Hello and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can change the server within the Marvel Rivals game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marvel Rivals game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page. From here, to start any match, you will need to tap on the play button, and on the play page, you can tap on the plus buttons in order to add any team member, and you may also change your character. Now at the bottom right corner, you can choose your match type, and if you wish to change your server, just look above this and you will see your currently chosen server. Just click on the drop down menu and now you can choose from the list of various different servers that are available. You may also choose multiple servers if you wish, and after choosing your server, you can simply confirm and then choose your match type and start enjoying your match on your chosen server right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your server within the Marvel Rivals game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.